Welcome guys to my new video. Today I want to unbox my newly ordered multimeter. You may ask, Father Joe, why did you bought this multimeter but you have multimeter already? The reason I bought this multimeter is because this multimeter have more functions than the other one. My dear technician, without time wasted, let me start showing you everything about this multimeter. Right here you can see digital multimeter. This is not analog, this is digital. I recommend you should get a digital multimeter like this, not analog. We are in the digital world, so recommend you get something digital like this. So let me start to unbox it. You can use a sharp object to carefully cut the tape. Take your time to do this. Do not rush, just take time to do this. If you have questions, you can let me know in the comment section if you have. Drop question for me if you have. It's important. Check this out. I will unbox it right now. Here we go. Check this out. Check this out. My dear technician, this is my brand new multimeter. Like I said, this multimeter have more functions than the other multimeter they bought for me. So check this out. Check this out. You can see the probe. Let me remove the main multimeter. This is the multimeter. You can see, brand new. Check this out, and let me check any other thing inside. Okay, I have the manual. Check the manual. I have two manuals here. This is the first one, and this is the second one. And that is everything inside this. Okay. Check the manual. You can read the manual if you don't know how to use it. But my dear technician, do not worry. I will make a video and show you how to use a multimeter coming very soon. So get ready for the video. Check this out. This is the multimeter. So let me unbox it now. Let me start to remove all the nylon tape. Check this out. Let me remove this patch. Let me remove this protection and show you. Your multimeter should have this protection in case it drops on the ground. It can protect the main multimeter. So check this out. I'm unboxing it now. Like I said, if you have questions, drop for me in the comment section. If you have, drop for me in the comment section. Check this out. This is my brand new multimeter. Check this out. This is the power button. Let me turn on. This is the power button. Let me shift this to continuity. Right here you can see continuity. You can also see the diode sign. And this is the whole button. If you read and you want that reading to keep on staying on the screen, you can click the whole button to keep the reading staying on the screen. Right here, this is the probe. So let me remove this thing and show you. This is the probe that comes with the multimeter. I recommend you should buy a new probe because this probe is not always lasting. So I recommend you get a strong probe that is better than this. So make sure you plug the black in COM, which is the negative. Plug this one in positive, which is the V ohms. Check this out. And let me test for continuity. Here we go. Let me test for continuity now. Check this out. Totally 0, 0, 0, 0. You can see it works. It works like magic. Check this out. It works like magic. If you have questions, drop for me in the comment section. I will be very, very happy to see your question. Drop for me if you have question in the comment section. You may ask, Father Joe, what really triggered you to buy this multimeter? Check this out. Right here, this is the multimeter, and I want to show you some of the functions of this multimeter. My dear technician, take for example, you were testing components on a phone panel, and you wanted to keep the reading just for some times. So you can just click and hold the reading. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Let me test this battery connector. Right here we have 5, 4, 3 something. Let me click and hold it. Check this out. You can click and hold the reading sometimes, right? Check this out. I just click and hold the reading, so the reading will stay here for some times, and you can check whatsoever thing you want to check and still come back to see your reading. And let me show you another mind-blowing function. My dear technician, take for example, you were sitting down and you cannot see your multimeter screen very well. You can easily carry up your multimeter screen to see very well. Check this out. Let me put it again and take it up. Please, when doing this, you have to be very careful so that you will not spoil it. Check this out. Check this out. It works like magic. So these mind-blowing functions really trigger me to bought this multimeter. And not just this, there are other things. Check this. You can stand the multimeter. Check this out. The branding is perfect. I love this. I love the branding, the label, everything on this multimeter is really giving. I love this so much. So these are the functions that really trigger me to bought this multimeter. And this multimeter have auto power off. So this multimeter will shut down. If you are not using the multimeter for a very long time, it will shut down. My dear technician, thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye bye.